Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can create your own font using your own handwriting. So I am just on this website called Calligraphr.com, and you're just going to want to sign up to your account using your email, and I'm just going to right click on create a template and open this page, and this is the one that I chose, but you can also add stuff like minimal German, minimal French, minimal Spanish, minimal Japanese, minimal numbers, and minimal punctuation, for instance. So these will be added, but let's just remove all. And there are other things too, I think, like dingbats. You can also add that if you want, but for this I am again just going to show you how. I just chose this one for mine, but without the punctuation marks, because I don't know, I just want to show you the letters, the characters. And then I just clicked on download template, and I just saved it as a PDF and downloaded that, and I'm left with this sort of sheet. I downloaded it, and I wrote mine in Illustrator, but you can obviously print it out and write it down by hand, like with pencil and paper. Maybe use a marker so they can it's easier to be seen, I guess. And I saved that as a JPEG, and then I am going to go to my fonts and press upload template, and I'm just going to choose file, and it is in here. It's this one, and I am just going to press upload template, and this is going to process, so I will be back when it is done. And I'm back, and as you can see, if you're not satisfied with one of your letters, you can delete that, but as you can see, it scanned all of my letters, and yeah. And I'm just going to wait for it to load again, so, oh, here it is. And what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to click on this build font and name the font. I'm just going to name it this and build. And let it load again. I know the handwriting is messy, so I'm so sorry, but so this is the preview of my font. Size comparison. I mean, it's alright, but oof, the M is very small, but you know. Now I'm just going to select this, and it will download to my laptop. And you can also share it, but I'm just going to download it and wait for it to load. Okay. Then I'm just going to select the font, and I am going to install it. Oh my gosh, this is very messy. I don't have numbers on mine, so if you want numbers, don't forget to add a character to that. And let's test this font out. So I'm just going to go to Illustrator. I'm just going to delete everything first. And let's test the font out. So let's see, we need a regular. And let's make the font around 72 points. Oop. To the tutorial channel. And let's just Ta-da! What is this tutorial about? Create font using your own handwriting. It works, obviously. And that is basically it. That is how you can create a font using your own handwriting, using the website Calligraphr. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!